going to bus?
Yeah.
School bus, anak?
Yeah.
Kailangan abutan mo yung school bus, ano? Sa umaga?
Nga.
O hintayin mo?
Ay, late naman sila bukas eh.
Ay, oh, so...
Sa Tuesday.
Oo nga, naabutan ko lagi.
Ha? No. I wanna go make cookies now. Yeah, you do that. I go do my cookies there.
Oh, there's an egg there in your fridge? Oh, wow. Oh, naks... Oh, wow. Naka-crack pala yung egg.
What's this? Oh, luto na. Cook na. Let's cook. Ito na naman bang binili mo ako?
Hindi, matagal lang yan. Yan ang mga gusto niya. Oh!
My cookies!
Oh, wow!
Here you go. Stop. Here you go. Here's your knife. And then this. Luto na. Here you go. Ay, naku naman. Cut ko na. Cut mo na.
Bless you. Naks, ang galing ah.
Thank you. I said thank you. Cut na ka. Cut ko na. I do one. You're not supposed to touch the food. This one. Yay. Start eating. What's your spoon and fork?
Beep! Oh, are you doing in the oven?
The oven is the oven. Empty. Here you go. No, this one.